హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దొంతుల. ఈరోజు మనం కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్ అండ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లోని లాస్ట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్లో లాస్ట్ వన్ డబుల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ రియాక్షన్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. డబుల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ రియాక్షన్ అమ్మా, ఫస్ట్ టేక్ 3 ml sodium sulfate in first test tube, 3 ml sodium sulfate solution in first test tube and 3 ml barium chloride solution in second test tube amma. 3 ml sodium sulfate formula Na2SO4 amma, barium chloride formula BaCl2, both are added amma, both are added. And observe, sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus barium chloride BaCl2 both are react together, their radicals, sodium sulfate radical sulfate, barium chloride radical chloride. Here exchange the radicals, these two are the reactants, exchange their radicals. So 2Na 2Cl, so 2NaCl plus SO4 plus BaSO4, barium sulfate precipitation is formed. So here Na2SO4, okay, Na and Cl both, and barium and sulfate BaSO4, okay, sodium chloride N2Na 2Cl, so 2NaCl, barium sulfate BaSO4 are formed. Okay, this is the double displacement reaction amma. This is the double displacement reaction. Here two reactants, these two reactants exchange their radicals, SO4 exchange to Ba, chlorine exchange to sodium amma. So Na2Cl2, 2NaCl, SO4 BaSO4. This reaction is called double displacement reaction. Here barium sulfate precipitation is formed. Precipitation, what is precipitation? Precipitation is a white colored substance and insoluble substance. Insoluble means does not dissolve in water, and white color substance is formed. In case any chemical reaction precipitation is formed, that reactions are called precipitation reactions. That reactions are called precipitation reactions amma. So this reaction is a precipitation reaction and a double displacement reaction. One another example, lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Take lead nitrate and potassium iodide, PbNO3 twice plus 2Ki. Okay, here nitrate is the radical and iodine is also radical. So here Pbi, next to potassium nitrate. Here Pbi2, how many iodines amma? 2 iodines. So Pbi2, Pbi2 is the precipitation and 2K 2NO3, so 2KNO3. So here also their radicals or ions are exchanged amma. Lead radical nitrate exchange to potassium radical or ion exchange to lead, so lead iodide and potassium nitrate are formed. Here also precipitation is formed. Precipitation is a insoluble white colored substance. Insoluble white colored substance. Insoluble means does not dissolve in water. In any chemical reaction precipitation is formed. That reactions are called precipitation reactions. Okay, double displacement reactions amma. These two are the examples of the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction means two reactants, when two reactants are exchange their radicals or ions ions and form new substance. This reactions is called double displacement reactions. Next one, oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions. What is oxidation reaction? Leo Gar అంటే సింహము గర్జిస్తుంది అనుకోండి. లియో అంటే లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఈజ్ ఆక్సిడేషన్. లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ని లాస్ అయితే ఆ రియాక్షన్ ని ఆక్సిడేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం. లేదా gain of electron is the reduction. Okay, loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. Loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. And when oxygen is added to the reactant, when oxygen is added to the substance, that is a oxidation reaction. Okay, oxygen is removed from reactant, that is a reduction reaction. When oxygen is added to reactant, that is a oxidation reaction. When oxygen is removed from reactant, that is a reduction reaction. Okay, next, when hydrogen is removed from reactant, that is a oxidation reaction. When hydrogen is added to reactant, that is a reduction reaction. Okay, loss of electron is oxidation. When oxygen is added, loss of electron is oxidation reaction. Oxygen is added, oxidation reaction. Hydrogen is removed, also oxidation reaction. Gain of electron is reduction and removing oxygen is reduction and adding hydrogen also reduction reaction. First take one activity. Take a china dish. About 2 gram of copper in china dish. Okay, now heat the copper at presence of oxygen. Black colored copper oxide layer form on the surface. Okay, so copper react at presence of oxygen. Actually copper color is brown color. The brown color convert to black color coating on the surface of the copper. So here copper metal is oxidized form copper oxide. So this is a oxidation reaction. Next, on the copper oxide, so add hydrogen. So Cu plus H2O. When we heat copper at presence of oxygen, copper oxide is formed. So this is an oxidation reaction. Now add hydrogen to the copper oxide. Okay, the black color oxide layer is removed, copper is displaced. So this is a reduction reaction. This is oxidation reaction. This is reduction reaction. Okay, oxidation and reduction both are happen in the same reaction. That reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. In a chemical reaction, oxidation and reduction both are formed. That reactions are called oxidation and reduction reaction. ఇప్పుడు here Cu గా కన్వర్ట్ అయింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ reduction. Cu గా కన్వర్ట్ అయింది అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ ని లాస్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే Cu లో నుంచి ఆక్సిజన్ రిమూవ్ అయ్యి Cu గా మారింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ రిడక్షన్ రియాక్షన్ అండ్ హైడ్రోజన్ H2O గా మారింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ రియాక్షన్. సో హియర్ oxidation and reduction both are formed in same reaction. This type of reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. Once again here copper, take a 2 gram of copper in china dish, heat the copper at presence of oxygen. We observe that the black colored layer form on the surface of the copper powder. So that means the brown color copper turns to black color oxide layer. So this is a oxidation reaction. Already I said when oxygen is added to the reactant, that is a oxidation reaction. That copper oxide pass hydrogen gas, black colored copper oxide. We observe that the black colored coating remove, copper powder again produced. So here copper oxide turns to copper, so oxygen loss. So this is a removing of oxygen, so reduction process. Okay, here hydrogen gain oxygen, so this is a oxidation reaction. Okay, another examples of the oxidation and reduction reactions, ZnO plus H2 gives Zn plus H2O. Here ZnO turns to Zn, అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ లాస్ అయిపోయింది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ రిడక్షన్ రియాక్షన్. H2 gain oxygen, so this is a oxidation reaction. So reduction and oxidation both are formed in same reaction. So this type of reaction are called oxidation and reduction reaction or redox reaction. Next another example, MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. MnO2 loss oxygen, convert MnCl2, so this is reduction reaction. 4HCl loss hydrogen, this is a oxidation reaction, or H gain H2O also oxidation reaction. Here also oxidation and reduction both are formed in single reaction. So this type of reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. Okay, thank you students. నా వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఇంకా నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.